In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a carousel for your featured products on Shopify. For example, I have a 2-column carousel right here, and I'll be showing you how to create this, or if you'd like to create, for example, a featured product list like this one, or if you'd like to create one looking like this, I'll be showing you how to do that. The first thing you want to do is go onto your Shopify admin page. Once on your admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select Online Store. Then you're going to tap on Customize in line with the theme that you're using. Once you have done that, you're automatically going to be redirected to the home page. On the home page, you're going to select Featured Collection from the left-hand menu option. Once you have done that, you can also choose the product count in the top left-hand corner. So you can increase it up to 25. So it all depends how many products you'd like to be displayed. Now to toggle on carousel, you'll need to scroll down and you're going to see the option carousel. If we were to toggle on carousel, you can see right here that we have now enabled it. Now let's say, for example, instead of your carousel looking like this, you would like to edit it. So for example, you would like the first 3 products alone to be displayed. All you'll need to do is select columns from left-hand menu option, and then we could select 3, and you can see right there that only the first 3 products are showing. Or if you'd like to cut that down to 2, you can do that. Or if you'd like to increase it, you can do that also. And you can also choose the size that you would like the carousel images to be. So for example, you have full width, you could toggle that on. And you can also select the View All button if you would like that one to be displayed. And you can scroll down and you could also edit the product card if you want. So you could change it to portrait, for example, or square. Once you're finished making the changes, you're just going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. And if we were to go over to the top left hand corner and select View, you can see how our home page looks now. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.